I have never missed a meeting since December of 2023. And on Remembrance Day, while I was watching on the 11th hour, the Remembrance Day ceremonies, the Township's lawyer had a server come to my door, knock on my door, and serve me a trespass notice. The allegations towards me were that I harassed staff, I threatened staff, and I damaged personal and public property. I didn't do any of those things, and we ended up in Superior Court, and the hearing, I won the hearing. The judge was pretty strict about her ruling, but I wasn't able to go to the skating rink, and I wasn't able to go to the Winter Carnival, and lots of times when I was out in the public, people go, Karen, is that true? You were threatening and harassing staff? So I was always on the defense, and it gave me a lot of stress, and I had a lot of sleepless nights. I think that was the worst part of it, is proving to people that I'm here to help people, and I'm all about fiscal responsibility. And I'm not out here to harass or threaten anybody. So today is day one coming back. I feel positive and I feel empowered. I can see there's people here typically in the galley. The way it works is usually somebody from Midland Today is here and myself, so it's pretty empty. So this is a show of support that I'm not a lone wolf. I think a lot of people are questioning the fiscal accountability of our current council. I don't know if I'm going to go forward and go after the Citizens Code of Conduct. Our lawyers and their lawyers are in talks. Basically what happened is the judge just came straight out and asked Barristan Law, is there any proof that Karen Zulynik threatened or harassed staff or damaged personal property? And there was kind of dead silence in the courtroom, and then he said no. And so she kind of questioned why we were there, and then she said she would rule over the Easter weekend, and she came back on April 10th.
How many months was the gap since you got the notice, the trespass, and then the ruling?
Yeah, 5 months. 5 months. So they wanted to ban me till June 1st, which would have been, they're allowed to run an election on May 1st. It's been lifted. It's not squashed. We'd have to go to the trial and everything. But I want to make note that the two people that made the allegations and the public statements against me were Robert Lamb, the CAO, and Mayor Evans. But neither of them submitted an affidavit in court.
This story was supported by the Local Journalism Initiative.